Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about colors of different interface elements in Autocad. I believe the classic colors suits most of the users, but it's possible that for some elements you would prefer a different display. If that's the case, don't worry because it's pretty easy. Let's learn how to do that. To change colors of elements in Autocad, we have to open the Options window. Simply type Options with the keyboard and press Enter. Now I'm going to switch to the Drafting tab. And in the Auto Snap settings, I have to click on Colors. A new window shows up. And here we have a list of the interface elements organized by context. Elements from the 2D model space, from the sheet layout, 3D parallel projection, and so on. Let's stay with the 2D model space for now. And the first element we are going to change color is the one already selected, the 2D Auto Snap marker. Simply click here and choose the one you like. Let's go for yellow. And then if you look at the preview, the marker that it was dark changes to yellow. Then I save and close the window. And finally in this example, you can see the appearance of the snap mode elements in this new color. Another tip, if we select a dark color, like this one that's almost black, it would be very hard to see in the model space. That's why the system automatically displays its opposite here. But if I switch to the Layout tab, as it is in a white background, the color of the marker is the one I chose. To get back to the factory colors, I can click on Restore Current Element and the 2D Auto Snap marker gets back to green, as I think you are familiar with. On the other hand, the option below restores all the elements here in the 2D model space to the default colors. If you also made changes in the other contexts and want to get everything back, click on Restore All Contexts. And finally, Restore Classic Colors. We get back to the colors used up to the version 2008. Maybe some old users will enjoy this, especially nostalgics. Now I'm going to click on Cancel because I want to keep my personal colors. And this is important. If you change a lot of colors and then you restore all the contexts, there is no way to get back to your personalized ones by just pressing Ctrl Z. You would need to do everything again one by one. Now, let's have a look at another interface elements we have in the 2D model context. The first one is the background. As you know, Autocad sets the default background as dark to prevent eye fatigue, although some people prefer it white. The next one, I can change the color of the crosshair, which is the main pointer. And in this example, I'm showing to you its appearance in yellow color. Another element I usually change color is the grid major and minor lines. You can notice my grid is considerably light right now. Yes, I've changed it, because for me the default colors are too dark. Let's restore both to default so you can see the difference. Now it's your turn to try this out. Please explore the other elements by yourself. Change some of the colors just to see how it looks. Then remember that you can always restore the colors to defaults. So it's everything now in this weekly tip. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to watch the next one. Keep in touch and see you soon. Bye.